Welcome back, 5th grade. Here we go. Next lesson, lesson 11-9, pages 294 and 295 in your textbook. Have it open, have your spiral ready. Our topic today is dividing whole numbers by unit fractions. So you want to get your objective copy down, which is I can divide a whole number by a fraction. Again, your objective for today is to be able to say that I can divide a whole number by a fraction. Get that copy down. If you need to stop for a second, stop the tape and get it down. Okay, starting at the top of page 294, you have a picture up there with the question, how can you divide by a fraction? It says Joyce is making sushi rolls. She needs 1/4 cup of rice for each sushi roll. How many sushi rolls can she make if she has 3 cups of rice? So the question here is, what do we need to do? And that is to divide. Why do you need to divide to find the number of sushi rolls Joyce makes? Because you want to find how many 1/4 are in 3 cups. And that can be represented in an expression, which is 3 divided by 1/4. So you will see now, move to the top of page 295, you will see that there are 2 ways. We're going to start with the one way, which shows us to draw a diagram. The question is, how many 1/4 are in 3? So they want you to think 3 divided by 1/4. And you will see there that they drew 3 circles in there. And so at this point, I want you to get that information copied into your spiral. So put Roman numeral 1, please, and put one way. Underneath your one way, list to draw a diagram. Okay, put underneath there the little expression that they also had in your book, which is think 3 divided by 1/4. Okay, so now you're going to take and draw that picture. You might be asking yourself, well, where did they get the 3 circles from? The 3 circles come from your whole number. So draw 3 full circles as best as you can. And now you will see in your textbook at the top of 295 that they are divided. And you will see they're divided into fourths because you want to find out how many fourths are in 3. So take and divide each of your circle into fourths. You can do that by just making a T in each circle. Okay, now you need to go and see how many fourths are in each. So if you were to shade or put a number here, this is 1 out of 4. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So this is technically 4/4. This is another fourth here. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, because that's another 4/4 in there. You have 9, 10, 11, and 12. So your 3 divided by 1/4 is going to give you 12. So you will be able to make 12 sushi rolls. At this point, if you have a question, feel free to copy it down in your spiral. We're going to hop into, before we go to another way, we're going to do 2 more examples for drawing a diagram. Let's just say we had 4 divided by 1/4. So put in your notes, think 4 divided by 1/4. How would we draw a diagram? Well, how many circles do I need to draw? The whole number is 4, so draw 4 full circles. Again, our fraction is asking us for fourths. So we again want to know how many fourths are in 4. So again, divide your circle into fourths.
Mr. Campbell, please report to the main office. Mr. Campbell, the main office.
Okay, and then again, you go ahead and find out how many fourths are in each one. It's very similar to this one. So how many fourths do we have here? Again, you can label them individually or just put the total at the bottom. This is 4. There's 4 more here, so this gives me 8. There's 4 more here, which gives me 12. And there's 4 more here, so that gives me 16. So this time, 4 divided by 1/4 is 16. Again, if you have a question, take a minute to write it down. And let's do one more example. Put down, think 6 divided by 1/2. Think 6 divided by 1/2. Okay, Again, now we need to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time we only need to put in 2 pieces for each one. So you can just split them down the middle to make them halves. And then count each piece. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your answer here, 6 divided by half, is 12.